What's going on, guys? It's your boy Replica Nitro here, back again. Back again with a brand new video. Hopefully you guys have a great day as always. And today I'm here with my cousin. Introduce yourselves.
Second Viper Scorpion, Chica 12.
And today we're gonna be on the Monkey app, and we're gonna go do a scare prank. I'm gonna try to scare people. So technically we're gonna be talking to them. While we're talking to them, my cousin Jesse is gonna turn on the lights like this, and then Nate, he's gonna come out like this, and we're gonna see if the people get scared and tell me that there's someone behind me. But yeah, that's gonna be all, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you guys haven't followed my social medias, my Instagram right here, and my TikTok, and follow my cousin on YouTube and Instagram,
Aaron Gibbs,
right here, and right here. And follow my other cousins, Angels, and then his right here. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And we're out.
Peace.
Alright, we're gonna start the screen recording. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hello? Hello?
What's up?
What are you guys doing? I said, what are you guys doing?
Nothing much. Just
Where are you guys from? What the
I'm
fuck? My power just went off, bro.
from Florida.
Hey, my power just went off. Hold up. Hold up.
Oh my.
What? Oh my god, this is You said what? Oh fuck! Help! 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 What the fuck? Help! Oh, what the fuck?
I'm gonna get me now. Shoot me. Shoot me. I'm down to die today. Please shoot me.
Help! Doesn't stop. Let's go. What's good, Ray? What's up? What are you doing, bro? Playing 2K?
Oh, you said what?
You playing 2K?
Yeah,
Hey, where you from?
Detroit.
Oh my god, my lights just turned off, bro. What the fuck? Hold on. I'm trying to. What the fuck? This shit just turned off, bro. Oh my.
Fuck.
What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? Why is it turning off?
Oh shit! Oh, I need help! Fuck! Help! 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 Oh, fuck! Help! Help! Oh, fuck! Oh, shit!
What's good, Darian? What's good, bro?
We almost got kidnapped.
You said what? You almost got kidnapped?
We almost got kidnapped.
Hey, I time. This sounds interesting. Where you from? Oh my god. Hold up, bro. My lights just turned off, bro. Hold up. What the fuck? That shit just turned off, bro. That's some crazy shit. What the? Oh my god. Bro, you see this crazy shit?
We almost got kidnapped, bro. This is like, you don't know that, bro.
This shit's crazy, bro.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh, I need help, bro! Call the cops, bro! Call the cops! Fuck! Come on, call the cops!
When they come back around, bro.
You can still smell, bro. I don't think that's it. You good, bro?
Keep touching it because then it's gonna turn off.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, that's fat.
I said hello. Yo, bro.
I don't know what to watch on that.
Skip that one. Hello? What's good? What you doing?
Nothing.
I'm washing clothes right now. Hey, where you from?
Chicago.
Oh my god, the lights just turned off from the laundry, bro. That's crazy. That's just crazy, bro. Oh shit. It's back on. Oh my. What the fuck? Some crazy shit, bro. It's back on, bro. Wait, what are you doing? Oh my god.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I need help! Fuck! You gotta check that with the fuck! Fuck! I need help!
Hello?
Is that scary?
Hello?
Was that scary? What's good, bro? Mofo. Hello? Hey, yo, at time, I need to ask you a question. At time. Hey, at time. At time. I have a very important question, bro.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
Alright, but look, bro. What you doing, bro? Hey, where you from? Oh my god, bro. The lights just turned off from the laundry, bro. What the fuck? Oh, it's back on. Hey, but yeah, where you from? You said what? Oh my god. Where you from, you said?
Georgia.
Oh fuck! Help me, bro! Fuck! Oh fuck! Jesus! Fuck! I need help. Chill, motherfucker!
What?
Where are you at?
Oh, I'm at the laundry store. I'm washing my clothes.
What?
I'm at the laundry store washing my clothes.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, I got a quick. Oh, what the fuck? What the? Wait, hold on. And my lights. They turned off. What the? Wait, hold on. I don't. Wait. Oh, what the fuck? Ah! Help me! That's a guy. If it's hot on. Hello? Hello?
Let's get them. It's so hot.
Hello? I'm kind of far away from it. Hello? Hello? Hey, I think you're lagging.
From the start screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Go down, Ethan. What's good? Hello?
Hold on.
Hello? What are you doing? I said, what are you doing?
Oh, what we're doing? I'm flipping, and she's yeah, cause she keeps falling off the fucking bed. Don't get dragged.
Hey, where you guys from?
Trenton, Jersey, and Trenton.
Yeah. So you guys are from Philly?
I'm from Philly. She's from Jersey. Shut up.
Fuck, the lights just turned off. What the?
Yeah. What the fuck?
Yo, chill. This is scary, bro.
You said what?
This is scary. That shit just turned off.
You scared? You scared, best friend?
What the fuck? Hold on, let me try to turn on the lights. Hold on. Let me see.
I'll make your legs. Who's more better? Bitch. Okay, your power went out. So your power didn't go out.
It did.
Who the fuck is that? What the fuck was that behind you?
You said what? You said what?
Who the fuck was that behind you?
Who?
There was somebody behind that.
Who, bro?
I'm trying to play. It's not. Who the fuck is that? That nigga look like Michael Myers or some shit.
Who?
That was somebody behind you.
Dude, chill. What the fuck? I'm scared, bro. Chill, bro. Stop playing with me,
I'm
bro.
not scared. She's just fucking playing. You fucking playing.
Chill. Bro, what up? What up, bro?
It's gonna be a jump scare. And then we gonna put that shit out. Bitch, right there.
I'm playing.
There.
The end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down any future video ideas. Like if you guys want me to do other videos, like other pranks. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and wear your masks, people. And we're out. Peace.
Next day you forgot, thought I told you that. This my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy, best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just fall and reap.